Jamaica is nice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Javs. I know it's been a while, but yes, welcome back to my channel. I'm at River Rapids today and we're gonna have a whole fun adventure, so keep watching and remember to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment down below. And the vlog
like
is
a feature in our vlog.
Feature.
Come on.
Stuff. Say hi.
Yo, people. We are going to the river. I'm a castle. My neighbor swim.
Let me know this is a cold. It's a water, yeah.
Nah, cold. Refugee. Nation. South Passe.
We're here and it's raining. As we reach, rain start. We didn't know it's a rain come still, but it was holding up this whole time. And it start now. So the tubes there. Jaja.
Yeah, you there.
Come let me see you. Come let me see you. Let me see. Are you ready?
You want a cookie?
Stupid.
I think I probably should take off this.
Oh! That actually hurt. DJ, ready? Are you excited?
Where's? Something say I want to.
I run a safe for them.
Back a helmet, bossy. I gotta be again.
You ready? Ah! You're the worst. Are you ready? You ready to have some fun?
Have some fun. Fun time.
Fun times. Woohoo!
Fun guy.
Safety for it looks so tiny. Browning. I say a few.
Some feels. No. Or see them horribly trained. That simply means no, when they come out. Don't put this. When they come out, they can't. That's not even seatbelt or strap number.
Is it that big?
It's politically correct, you know, not answer all the, you know. You're wise, man. You're
That
wise.
bigger?
You're good, politically correct.
They my big walls up me and
Yeah, just two for two.
yeah, big wall don't fit me.
What?
No, stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god. No one warned me.
Yo, that bridge is shaky, bro.
Some people was already for sure.
No, them tube are heavy, man. Heavy.
Yes, I'm tired.
When I walk and talk, just keep it moving.
I say I leave that to walk and talk with the psh.
With it. Hear that? No, sir. No, sir. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm at. Man say a 5-minute hike. This is like 15 minutes. It's gonna be. Sweat out. Dead. We reached though. We're about to start.
Yeah, I wish we camera.
I'm dying.
Wow, Jobs. Wow.
Sweat out.
This is the serious part where only time when you speak I want to ask questions.
Serious time. Yeah, girls, we ready. Girls, look. Are you looking?
Yeah, it called for real, still it can't. Yeah, like that still.
What? Don't let go, you know.
Talk about a whole front.
Yo, you come with the lame jokes, bro.
We're moving. Hello.
That's why you put hold on.
Each has a hello.
We gotta go with the DJ. So Daddy and DJ going in the next group.
What song is that?
Titanic. It's about to get lit though. There's nothing to fear, and I know that my heart will go on.
Oh yeah.
Jack, come back. Come back. Hey guys. See there? With them red film on red.
No, then not y'all beat me. Oh my God, wait, what?
Yeah, I like this. He like this. What's last place? Again.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ari, you drowning?
I drowned it.
You like that? Watch Ari. I look at water. Them no bed.
You see me? You know them kid ask for the water.
What over there, see?
You know, we'll stop us and jump.
Yes, Ari, and jump. See, there you jump over there. She's like, why would we do that? Me I put it on the block. DJ a jump dog. What's that one wild one yeah? And yeah!
One time.
Buddy. Woo! Watch her like wait. Yeah. Ready DJ? Woo!
This one time. The man was this one time.
Ah!
Yo, what have you done like this?
You're not going
Woo!
Tropics.
DJ, go back.
No, you.
You can front flick.
No, not me.
Do the front flick, no? Do a front flick. Yeah, front flick.
Come in, come on. There's no chicken on the group.
Gotta try to figure the rice.
We are the 360.
No, frog splash.
Yeah.
Hurry.
Fine, I will go next you.
Woo! Yeah. Good DJ. Good DJ. Good job. Yeah? My best is done.
And if you look too right, you see a giant hippopotamus.
You know some eat that you sir? Yo! That was like the best part.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we got all wrapped up at River Rapids. So we're at Milestone Restaurant and Bar, so that's where we're gonna have dinner now, and then we'll head back into Kingston. So come with me. Yeah. And then we're here.
Yeah, that's a Red Bull version in fusion.
Drinks. Water. So he's going to try lemon. Let's see his reaction. You have to open it to knock out the skin. Go for it. Go for it. Yes. We're going to taste it. Go. Go. More. I'm gonna cry. Drinks. I got something strong. Like taste it in a shot. A shot of what this? A shot of what this, David? A shot of what? This. Really? You don't know why you're asking? Oh, okay. I'm gonna take the shot before I spill it. The food isn't here as yet, and we're starving. But I'm gonna take the shot.
It's a good time to take shots.
Ready?
Don't ever play yourself.
And I haven't even eat either. Star number sign 0 star. Number
Not bad. Smooth. Get it, girl. Oh. Wait, hold on, wait.
It's such a shame that I'm leaving. Can't take the way you need treating me. Too crazy.
Oh, baby. Wait, where's lyrics?
What?
Food's there, food's there. We're hungry. I know your level at. So you can see the pasta.
The color all dark out.
A beer pasta. What you got?
Where's the chicken? I need to take for you. Just
Guys, we're leaving. We're leaving Milestone Restaurant and Bar. I guess fun. Me too. So, yeah, I'll check you guys in the next clip. I just wanted to quickly close out this River Rapids vlog. I just wanted to give like an overall review of the place, which I usually do because I think that's what you should do. If I should rate River Rapids out of 10, I'd probably give it like an 8.5. It was fun. It was really fun. It was relaxing too, and adventurous. I love doing adventurous stuff like that, so that's why I specifically chose there. There are a few more things that they could do to, I guess, enhance the experience. Having more areas that you can jump off, or you swing from the rope to jump in the river instead of just tubing. They have a point where they stop, which you saw in the vlog, and that's where we got to jump off. But I think that there should be more spots along the journey where you can come off and do something fun and then you go back. Also, at the end of the tour, there's a boat. One way to look at kayaking thing. So each person got a paddle and we had to paddle our way to the beach. Now, it was fun for like 10 minutes. But I was like, maybe because we lazy still, but it was very tiring. So after a while, you know, we got tired and we're like, oh my God, I want to reach the beach yet. Yeah, the paddling something to the beach take long. But it was still fun. It was still fun. It's still worth the experience. So getting to the place, it was recommended that we stopped at Bengal Beach in Trelawny. They said that it's easier for you to find a place. So you go to Bengal Beach and then the shuttle bus will take you from Bengal Beach to River Rapids, right? So that's a plus. I like that. The cost was $5,000 per person for adults, and DJ's 8, so we paid $3,000. So that covered that. In terms of food, we had to get food after. I'm not sure if they do food at Bengal Beach. I don't know, but we went for food afterwards. Once you start the tour, once the shuttle bus takes you to the river to start the tour, you have to leave all your items down by the beach in the vehicle. So you'd only bring what you need. If you have a waterproof phone, camera, whatever, only necessities you bring up. Of course, you get a life vest. So they have safety protocols. The hike to the river, he was saying that it's a 5-minute hike. It felt more like 10 to 12 minutes. Not too long, but your girl was tired, as you saw in the clip. So bear that in mind as well. But overall, your River Rapids is a nice place. You can go with the family and have a good time. Bring the kids out, and you know, everybody will have a good day. So I hope I'm not forgetting anything. I'm currently editing this vlog and I just remembered something. So I didn't speak much about Milestone Restaurant and Bar. The experience there was good. I like the ambience, you know, it's a nice chill vibe. They have a lot of space for dining, like a lot of seating. I like the bar area as well, even though we didn't sit over there, but we were looking and I say, oh, if you want to have drinks, like just come here for drinks. That's also a cool spot for just that. The only thing was the wait for the food. I don't know what happened on the day we went. Sorry, the baby's in the background. We waited for like an hour for food, so that was bad. Yeah, and we were starving. We were very hungry because we were coming from River Rapids and we didn't really eat much in the day. So that, and also I think Ari ordered quesadillas and they forgot the chicken, but you know, she got it afterwards and whatever. My wings were good. DJ had wings too. David's pasta was really good. I wish I had pasta there. Anytime I order pasta, it tastes good. He asked them to make it spicy. David's level of spice, I think nobody can accomplish that. Like, he is the only person who can make him food as spicy as he wants it, but he asked them for extra pepper and it was good. I could taste the pepper in it. I think everybody else enjoyed the meals. Oh, the fish took long, and the rice and peas, somebody was saying that the rice and peas wasn't, you know, the best, but all in all, I think that it's a nice place and I enjoyed my meal and David's pasta, and the drinks were good too, so it's a nice chill spot. Big up Adesh, we met her at Milestone as well, and I never remember to big up Dougal and Quincy from River Rapids. Yeah, big them up. So if you go there and I see this in the vlog, just tell him, say, yo, just Javs big you up in our vlog. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to just insert here. I'm wrapping up everything right here, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Bye.